Microsoft Surface Pro 9. It can be difficult to stay current in the ever-evolving and growing tech sector. It might be hard to stay up to date with technology, which is why we've got you covered. Trends continue as technology develops. As we review the Microsoft Surface Pro 9, the greatest two-in-one PC available now is without a doubt Microsoft's Surface Pro 9. With thin display bezels and top-tier hardware specifications, the newcomer boasts a sophisticated and adaptable design. The latter features, to mention a few, include potent processors, a vivid screen with a high refresh rate, and future-proof connectivity options. Platinum, Graphite, Forest, and Sapphire are the available finishes for the product. The latter two are brand new to the Surface Pro lineup. Remember that the indispensable signature keyboard and Surface Slim Pen 2 are additional purchases. Regardless, a two-in-one piece is a rare design in today's world, allowing for versatility of work. Don't hold back, grab your cash and buy it.